I want you to see something here. I'm at a front door, and I'm going to open up this door, and watch what this door does. Just going to open it up normal and let go of it. Crash. Every time I open up this door, it goes up against that nice cabinet and bangs. Now how am I going to fix that? Most front doors, you can't, there's not much to do to fix that, but this door is a little bit different than that. I want you to take a look at that hinge a little bit closer. You know what kind of hinge that is? That's a self-closing hinge. These usually come with little pins that fit in there. Well, I don't have any of those pins, but I'm going to make something else work. I'm going to Joe Guyver it. Right here I've got a finish nail, and this is a 6-penny finish nail. I'm going to use that as my little pin. Got to use my little Allen wrench, put that in there, start tightening this up. Each time I tighten it up, one go, I'm going to put the pin back in. Okay, now I'm going to let go of this and grab another bite of here, and I've got to turn it more now. You see? It's going to be tricky because I'm right up against the door here. Okay, I got it in there. I'm hoping I can turn it to the next one. Okay, now I can pull this pin out and move it over there. Like that. See how easy it was to fix that? Let's see if we got it fixed now all the way. You know, I'd say that's pretty much fixed. Look at that. It hardly closes at all, and then it stops. So that's fine. I hope you like that. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Just remember that.